Hi and welcome to the Oscha tutorials. Today I want to show you how to do a shepherd's carry with a long ring sling, XXL ring sling. And first what we have to do is measure where the middle marker, the imaginative one, will come at the back of your child. So we will measure shortly from arm length next to the other armpit. This is how it should work out, where we want to come out. And take this as the middle marker to put in the middle of the baby, back of the baby. So I will now do Superman's toss. Bring the baby to my back and build a seat. Also on the other side, 5% tightening. Now we have a seat for the baby, and what we now want to do is to build the chest pass here. I can either hold this short tail with my legs or with my chin, and the other one I put over it. And then I come again from the upside, do a bit of an L pull, what is possible here. And now I will close the shepherd's carry through both rings from inside to outside, like I would normally do with a ring finish. And then go like a ring sling through one ring, and you see it here. It will close down. You have a nice, lovely shepherd's carry. Baby is safe at the back, and enjoy. For more tutorials, just subscribe to our Oscha channel, and of course have fun while wrapping.